The Comarth Cross Rider is a fully electric off-road utility vehicle designed to perform exceptionally well both in rugged terrains and urban environments. Manufactured by the Spanish company Comarth, this vehicle boasts a compact yet tough design that makes it suitable for a wide range of uses, including agriculture, industrial tasks, and recreational off-roading adventures. The Cross Rider is powered by an electric motor that ensures efficient and environmentally friendly performance, offering a quiet ride that significantly reduces the usual noise and pollution associated with traditional off-road vehicles. Its robust suspension system, combined with all-terrain tires, provides excellent stability and control, even on uneven or challenging surfaces. Despite its strong build, the vehicle maintains a lightweight structure, which improves maneuverability and makes handling easier in tight or difficult spaces. Emphasizing sustainability without compromising versatility, the Comarth Cross Rider presents a practical and eco-conscious alternative for anyone in need of a reliable off-road vehicle. Whether for work or play, it represents a smart step toward greener transportation options in off-road conditions, blending durability, efficiency, and environmental responsibility into one powerful package. The Hirico is a compact, two-seat, all-electric microcar specifically designed for short urban trips, making it an ideal choice for car-sharing programs. This innovative vehicle is powered by a lithium-ion battery pack that delivers a respectable range of up to 120 kilometers on a single charge, perfectly suited for city travel. One of the standout features of the Hirico is its unique drivetrain setup. The electric motors are housed inside each of the four wheels, which helps to reduce overall weight and maximize efficiency. It has an electronically controlled top speed of 50 kilometers per hour, enough to comfortably handle urban traffic conditions. Weighing less than 500 kilograms, the Hirico is incredibly lightweight, contributing to its energy efficiency and ease of maneuvering through crowded city streets. Measuring 2.5 meters in its extended form, the car has a hinged body that allows it to fold up, retracting its front and rear modules to reduce its length to just 1.5 meters for easy parking in tight spots. Although the Hirico is not yet widely available on the market, it represents a bold leap forward in urban transportation. By combining sustainability, cutting-edge innovation, and practicality, the Hirico offers a fascinating glimpse into the future of foldable electric vehicles, which could fundamentally change how people move around and live in densely populated cities. The IEV XX is an innovative and ultra-compact electric vehicle designed to revolutionize personal mobility, especially in crowded urban environments. What makes this vehicle truly unique is its extendable chassis, which allows it to adjust its size depending on the passenger needs. In its most compact form, the IEV XX measures only 160 centimeters in length, making it incredibly easy to navigate through narrow streets and fit into tight parking spots. When additional comfort is needed, it can extend to 190 centimeters, offering more space for one or two passengers without compromising its agility. Powered by an efficient electric motor, the IEV-X provides a driving range of up to 120 kilometers on a single charge, making it a sustainable and practical choice for short daily commutes and urban errands. Its lightweight construction further enhances energy efficiency, helping to reduce power consumption and environmental impact. In addition to its physical adaptability, the IEV-XX also incorporates modern smart features such as app connectivity, which allows users to monitor and control various aspects of the vehicle remotely. Furthermore, it offers autonomous driving capabilities, adding an advanced level of convenience and safety for city dwellers. Overall, The IVXX represents a bold leap forward in micromobility, blending cutting-edge technology with thoughtful design to meet the dynamic needs of modern urban transportation. The Fox eMobility Mia 2.0 is a compact electric vehicle expertly crafted for urban driving. Its small size makes it incredibly easy to park and maneuver through tight city streets, addressing one of the main challenges of urban mobility. Despite its compact exterior, the Mia 2.0 offers a surprisingly spacious interior, comfortably accommodating up to 5 passengers along with their belongings, making it an ideal option for small families or groups. One of the standout features of the Mia 2.0 is its modular battery system, which provides flexibility to drivers based on their travel needs. There are 2 battery options available. The standard battery pack, which offers a driving range of up to 150 miles, and an extended battery pack that extends the range to an impressive 250 miles. This flexibility allows drivers to choose the version that best fits their lifestyle, whether they need the car for short city trips or longer commutes. The Mia 2.0 is also loaded with modern technology to enhance the driving experience and safety. It includes a touchscreen infotainment system for easy access to navigation and media, a digital instrument cluster for clear and real-time driving information, and a suite of advanced driver assistance systems that help improve safety and convenience on the road. Overall, the Fox eMobility Mia 2.0 combines practicality, versatility, and cutting-edge technology to provide a smart and sustainable transportation solution for today's urban environment. The Nimbus One is a uniquely designed, compact 3-wheeled electric vehicle tailored specifically for urban commuting, blending efficiency with sustainability. It combines the best aspects of both motorcycles and cars by offering the agility and nimbleness of a motorcycle alongside the stability and comfort you expect from a car. This innovative vehicle features an enclosed cabin that tilts, enhancing its maneuverability and allowing it to handle city streets with exceptional ease. Powered by a 9 kilowatt-hour battery, the Nimbus One provides an impressive range of up to 93 miles or 150 kilometers on a single charge, making it well-suited for daily urban travel. It can reach a top speed of 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, which is sufficient for most city driving needs. Inside, it's equipped with modern comforts and safety features, including airbags, a digital display for easy access to information, climate control for a comfortable ride, and smartphone connectivity to keep you connected while on the move. With its small footprint, the Nimbus One not only makes parking and navigating through tight spaces much easier, but also contributes to lowering emissions. It's an ideal choice for environmentally conscious city dwellers seeking a practical, energy-efficient way to travel around busy urban environments while reducing their carbon footprint.
Polaris Dawn, a groundbreaking private spaceflight launched by SpaceX, took off on September 10, 2024, marking a historic milestone in commercial space exploration. Commanded by billionaire entrepreneur and astronaut Jared Isaacman, the mission aimed to push the boundaries of human spaceflight while conducting important scientific research. Accompanied by crew members Scott Petit, Sarah Gillis, and Anna Menon, the team ascended to a record-breaking altitude of 1,400 kilometers, or about 870 miles, making it the highest orbit ever achieved by a crewed spacecraft in history. This mission was not just a feat of altitude, it was also packed with technological firsts and scientific significance. The Polaris Dawn crew performed the first ever commercial spacewalk, utilizing new generation SpaceX-designed EVA suits that could shape the future of extravehicular activities in space. Throughout the nearly 5-day mission, the team conducted in-depth studies focused on the effects of cosmic radiation and microgravity on human physiology, research that is crucial for the viability of long-duration space missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Another major advancement tested during the mission was Starlink's laser-based communication system, which promises to deliver faster, more stable data transmission between spacecraft and Earth. This has broad implications for space connectivity in future missions and satellite networks. After successfully completing their objectives, the Polaris Dawn crew returned safely, splashing down in the Gulf of Mexico on September 15, 2024. The mission not only demonstrated human capability at new heights, but also underscored SpaceX's growing role in commercial spaceflight, paving the way for more ambitious private missions and expanded opportunities for space science and exploration.
The Silence S04 is a sleek and compact fully electric microcar, expertly crafted to meet the demands of urban mobility. Designed by the Spanish company Silence, this vehicle offers an eco-friendly and efficient alternative to traditional city cars. Its small and lightweight build makes it perfect for maneuvering through crowded streets and squeezing into tight parking spots, helping to reduce overall congestion in busy urban areas. One of the standout features of the Silence S04 is its dual removable battery system, which allows drivers to quickly swap batteries, extending the vehicle's range and adding a level of convenience rarely seen in similar electric vehicles. This system ensures that users can keep moving without long waits for charging, making it ideal for everyday commuting. With a top speed of up to 53 miles per hour and a driving range of approximately 91 miles on a single charge, the S04 delivers practical performance suited for daily urban travel. Inside, the vehicle is equipped with modern amenities such as a digital dashboard, seamless smartphone connectivity, and climate control, ensuring a comfortable and connected driving experience. The Silence S04 combines innovative technology with sustainable design, making it a smart, forward-thinking choice for city drivers seeking a compact yet capable transportation solution that supports a greener future. The Squad Solar City car is a compact and innovative electric vehicle designed specifically for sustainable urban transportation. Developed by the Dutch company Squad Mobility, this car stands out because of its integrated solar panels on the roof, which capture sunlight to provide extra charging power. This feature helps reduce the vehicle's dependence on traditional electricity grids, making it an eco-friendly option for city commuting. Classified as a lightweight quadricycle, the Squad Solar City car is perfect for navigating crowded urban streets where space is limited. It offers a top speed of 28 miles per hour, 45 kilometers per hour, and can travel up to 62 miles, 100 kilometers, on a single charge, making it suitable for short-distance travel around the city. One of its key practical features is the removable, swappable battery system, which adds convenience by allowing users to quickly replace batteries without waiting for a full recharge. Designed with a focus on efficiency and affordability, this vehicle provides an accessible and green transportation solution, especially for urban environments where minimizing emissions and conserving space are critical concerns. Overall,
Amazon's Astro robot is an ambitious attempt to bring a personal assistant into the home in a new and dynamic form. Designed as a mobile AI-powered helper, Astro combines the functionality of a smart display, a security monitor, a toy, and even a voice assistant, all rolled into one futuristic package. However, despite its innovation, it's not quite the game-changer many hoped for, at least not yet. Currently available only by invitation and priced at around $1,000, Astro offers a glimpse into what the future of home robotics might look like. Having spent over 2 weeks testing the device, it becomes clear that while the robot impresses with its sleek design and range of features, it still feels more like a luxury gadget than an essential household tool. Astro can roam around the house, keep an eye on things for security purposes, entertain children, and respond to voice commands. But these features don't quite justify the high price tag for most users. Amazon plans to increase the price to about $1,450 once Astro becomes more widely available. But with the current limitations and lack of a truly compelling daily use case, many consumers might hesitate to take the leap. In its current state, Astro is more suited for early adopters with deep pockets eager to explore cutting-edge technology than for the average household looking for practical benefits. It's a fascinating piece of hardware, but it still has some ways to go before it becomes an indispensable home companion.
The Biro by Estrema is much more than just a compact electric vehicle. It represents a charming revolution in urban mobility. This tiny yet powerful companion is designed specifically for the modern city dweller, blending seamlessly into busy urban life. Its petite and minimalist design isn't just about fitting into the smallest parking spaces, but about integrating smoothly into your daily routine like a trusted friend who's always ready when you need them. Every ride in the B-Roll feels like a joyful escape, a break from the constant chaos of crowded streets and endless traffic jams. It's not merely about getting from point A to point B, but truly enjoying the journey itself. The ease of zipping through narrow lanes, the quiet hum of its electric motor, and the satisfaction that comes with making an environmentally friendly choice all combine to create a unique driving experience. This vehicle is a testament to simplicity and sustainability, showing that sometimes the best things really do come in small packages. The B-Roll isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle choice, a statement that embraces minimalism and care for the planet. It's a little slice of freedom, a smile on wheels, and a breath of fresh air in the heart of the bustling city. For anyone looking to combine practicality with eco-conscious living, the B-Roll offers an inviting, delightful, and responsible way to move around.